Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is West Bengal name debate. Recently, the Trinamool Congress has raised a demand in Parliament to rename West Bengal to Bangla. The West Bengal Assembly had unanimously passed a resolution in July 2018 to rename the state, but the centre has not yet agreed to it. The renaming of West Bengal to Bangla reflects the state's unique cultural identity and historical significance. However, there may be political challenges in pushing this bill through Parliament, as changing the name of a state is a significant and often contentious move. Before we proceed, we have an announcement to make. Drishti IAS is pleased to announce new batches of IASGS Foundation Prelims Plus Mains course at its Noida branch. Classes for English medium are starting from 17th February, and for Hindi medium, the classes are starting from 21st February. For more information, call 87501. Let's discuss its historical context. The demand for renaming West Bengal comes from the fact that after the 1947 partition, the region was named West Bengal while the other side became East Pakistan, later known as Bangladesh, in 1971. The Trinamool Congress argues that since East Pakistan no longer exists, renaming West Bengal would be in line with historical changes and the aspirations of the people. The state government's decision to rename the state to Bangla was unanimously supported by the West Bengal Assembly, showcasing significant local political backing. Let's look into the legal process for renaming states. In India, renaming a state requires a bill to be introduced in Parliament after receiving the President's recommendation. The bill must then be passed by both houses of Parliament before the name change is officially implemented. Now's the time to test your knowledge. The question is, what event led to the creation of the name West Bengal? The formation of Bangladesh in 1971, the partition of Bengal in 1947, the independence of India in 1947, or the state's integration into India? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.